In the beginning, I came into care at like 16. I didn't care. I was like, oh, it's just a meeting. What am I getting out of it? Am I getting paid?
I just know I had to go somewhere, so I went. I wasn't nervous or nothing.
I was definitely super nervous.
I was terrified when I went because I didn't know what to expect.
I felt like I never did anything right, so I'm not going to show up to this permanency hearing. Like, I didn't make no progress.
The purpose of a permanency hearing is to gather everyone in the same place to talk about what's happening with the child who is in foster care.
The kids are the persons who are the stars, so to speak, of that permanency hearing. A lot of times it doesn't even make a difference whether they speak or not, because sometimes you can observe a person and they have a visible reaction to what's being said, and that may spur me on to ask other questions. So their presence there is invaluable.
My attorney helped me be at ease. He just told me to talk to him before I talk to the judge and don't really spurt out anything.
We went to the courtroom and I realized that this person was there to talk for me, there to advocate, for things that I wanted to happen.
I just went in there and I said what I had to say.
And I really like to hear from those kids what needs to change in their daily lives to make their lives better. Because sometimes I can do that.
I asked for my permit, my passport.
I asked for child care, I asked for housing.
I asked for more visitation.
Sometimes working with a curfew with a foster parent.
It was a couple of times that I didn't get what I wanted. I just like to hear it for myself, good news or bad news.
I felt like I was being heard. I felt like I mattered. That felt awesome to me. All right, so from the first minute you enter the courtroom, everyone stands up.
All rise.
Some courts may swear you in, some courts may not swear you in.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do. The caseworker's role is to talk how the child is doing in the placement.
The child has a lawyer who speaks for the child. The caseworker has a lawyer who speaks for the caseworker.
You may have a parent, foster parent.
Sometimes there will be other people from the agency.
There are certain things that happen at every hearing. The permanency hearing report is required. I want to know what has happened in the prior 6 months and then planning for the next period.
It is the judge that makes the final decision, and then you get to leave.
I'm a case dismissed.
Advice for youth that would like to attend a hearing? I'd say definitely go.
Go and ask as many questions as you can possibly ask.
Go to court with an open mind. Don't go with attitude.
As far as dressing, I would say come as you are. Even if you're in there with a scarf, sweatpants, busted sneakers, come to court and show them at least I'm here.
However they come, that's fine.
I always speak to my attorney first.
The lawyer is the person they should really try to rely on if they can.
It's definitely important to advocate for yourself and, talk about the things that matter to you most.
I tell everybody to fight for what they believe in, because if not, you're not fighting for anything.
A lot of people has a job, a lot of people has things to do, but only you know what's best for you and only you can help yourself.